How to change YouTube profile picture on mobile. First of all, you have to launch the YouTube application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account that you would like to change your profile picture from. After you're logged in and you land in your home page, now navigate your profile picture from the bottom right corner. Once you get to your profile page, now under your profile name next to your username, there is an option as view channel. So tap on that. Then you will land the next page. Here again, if you go and tap on this pin icon next to the manage video button on your right hand side of your interface, you will land on your profile edit page. Now, in order to change your profile picture, simply tap on your YouTube profile picture from the top of this interface. Now, from the drop-down menu at the bottom of the interface, you can either take a photo from your camera or you can also choose one from your photos. So, if you would like to take a picture from your camera, simply go and tap and take a photo. Or if you like to upload from your gallery, then tap on choose from your photos. Now you have to select a picture that you would like to upload or change as your YouTube profile. And then you get to edit, and it shows how your profile will be visible in TV, desktop and all devices. Once you're done with that, tap on save from the top right corner. And once the update is successfully, your YouTube profile picture has been changed. So that's how you can change YouTube profile picture on mobile, and hope this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.